In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Google ad headlines using AI technology. Before we get started, if at any point you want to try out the software in this video, do not buy it until you've claimed your free trial. You can get your free trial at Jarvis.ai. Click the button you see on the screen here, and this will activate the 10,000 free credits. So you don't need to spend any money before you know if this software is going to be of benefit to you. Okay, so here we are in the software, and all I'm going to do really simply is just type in Google. Now you can see two things come up here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Google Ads headline. Now the first thing that you need to feed the software a little bit of information before it does anything for you. So the better the information it is you provide it, the better the outcome is going to be. So let's just go ahead and say that I own, let's say that I own a fitness product. Okay, so let's just call it get healthy. Okay, and the description, so ideally you kind of want to tell the software, hey, what's this product about, what is it, you know, like what's the message here. Okay, so what we're going to do is get healthy helps people get fit without the need of dieting. Okay, simple. Next, you want to say, hey, what sort of tone do you want it to be in? And this is actually really nice. You can say friendly, motivated. In fact, they've actually got a whole criteria of all the sort of voices that they do. And if you also wanted to do it in the tone of a famous person like Tony Stark, you can also do so too. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do, let's go ahead and do professional, and I'm going to just paste that in. Okay, so next you want to say examples. So examples are kind of like, you know, what sort of things would you usually use, or have you got an idea? And then what the software is going to do, it's going to take all of this information and compile it all together and basically create something even better, or we hope even better. So let's say if we're saying get healthy without the need of dieting, so let's say stop dieting and try this instead. Okay, and the more you feed it, the better results you'll get. I'm just going to leave it as is. And now you say, how many outputs do you want this to generate? I'm just going to, let's go with 5. Okay, and generate AI content. Within seconds, the software has generated 5 different variations of our information here. So the first one, the secret to being healthy. I would definitely use that for this sort of product. Eat your favorite foods. Again, that's a good one. Stop dieting. Not bad. I mean, it's just what it is. Stop dieting, get healthy. Not bad. Get fit without dieting. Okay, so within seconds you can actually generate hundreds or basically unlimited Google ad headlines that are actually usable. These are actually, this software has been built just to create engaging content to help, you know, kind of take away the you know, the hassle of trying to create converting text. And for someone like me, this sort of software really helps, because I am dreadful when it comes to copywriting. Anyway, that does bring us to the end of this video. Like I said at the beginning, do not buy this software until you've claimed your 10,000 free credits by visiting trialjarvis.com and clicking that button, which will get you those credits. I do hope you've enjoyed. If you've got any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.